Hey guys, if your Xbox controller isn't working right, keeps disconnecting, or the buttons feel unresponsive, a quick reset can usually fix it. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to reset your Xbox controller. Step 1. Soft reset. The first way is a soft reset. Simply press and hold the Xbox button for about 10 seconds until the controller turns off. Then, press the Xbox button again to power it back on. Most of the time, this clears out small glitches. Step 2. Repair the controller. If that doesn't work, try repairing it. On your Xbox console or PC, remove the controller from the Bluetooth list. Now, press and hold the pair button on the controller until the Xbox light flashes. On your device, search for it again and connect fresh. This basically resets the wireless connection. Step 3. Hard reset. Firmware update. In rare cases, you might need a hard reset or firmware update. Download the Xbox Accessories app on your PC or Xbox. Connect your controller with a USB cable from the app. You can reset and update the firmware to the latest version. Thanks for watching.